Damu ya Yesu Kristo wa Nazareth. Kwa damu ya Yesu Kristo wa Nazareth. Kwa damu ya Yesu Kristo wa Nazareth. Fire, 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 fire. I fire you. I fire. Choma kwa moto. Iga kila roho zote za giza. Kwa damu ya Yesu. Fire, fire. Fire in the name of Jesus. Iga kwa moto. Kwa damu ya Yesu Kristo wa Nazareth. Na moto, 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 moto. Moto, 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 moto. Moto, pita, moto, moto.
If we hop in the Benz, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of bait. But let me tell you,
staring out the window, so much stop on my side. That's the reason why. Oh my God!
My mind every day.
I saw my just come back. I just right now just feel like my God.
Everything gets fucked when I reach.
Run up! Run up!
Bomba blood clot. How that? Bomba blood clot. How that? A two lesbian girl then. And them are keys. Yes, you say? Them are keys. The two lesbian girl, them are keys.
come by.
Yes, the two lesbian girl, them are keys.
Sometimes I sleep sweet a morning time to the point where you don't feel like you want to get up, you know. But you see when a member say, yo, you have responsibility if you tend to. You have a landlord with no ramp, plus food price high like Mount Everest. My God. They want to go so boom, a member say, yo, JPS have Jamaica up on the hard back as I not ease up. And when you know one guy work, you have to take up your ass and gill up one work.
I'm playing with you.
Advice me here with me record and thing, you know.
Yeah.
Daddy inspire me, push me fully and thing, motivate me and thing, you know. Yeah.
And who are the other artists that inspire you? Who are the other artists for you?
Vibes Cartel, you know.
Yeah.
It's Vibes Cartel and my daddy straight, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
Big up my daddy. Happy birthday, you know, to this daddy. Yeah.
I'm pussy. I am pussy. I love to eat pussy. Pussy is someone.
I want my pussy eat tonight. Can you do it?
أقصونه إن كنت حلال أنا love you more than my life أنا أحبك يا حبيبي نقبل من سنة ووجد عاشقيها أقصونه إن كنت.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
I tell somebody I'm not sure, so them tell me something for all the faith. Why the faith can't hold me? The faith must tire that everybody I hold it now. Why it can't hold me?
The woman was too stunned to speak.
You know how many too like the friendship thing? Because people faith nowadays.
Gotta be sick of this guy. Pull up skirt, get in the right.
I swear to God, me never fall out of love so fast in my life. I wish me could have do this with my ex them. Me never fall out of love so quick. I swear to you. Me